Welcome friends, let me now take you through how you guys will prepare for Administrative Officer GSI exam with Human Peritus. So guys, to understand this, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Let's go to website of Human Peritus only and let us go to Administrative Officer GSI page. Okay. So अब हम लोगों ने क्या किया है? So there is a syllabus which has been prescribed by UPSC. हमने पूरे सिलेबस को वी हैव फर्दर सब डिवाइडेड इनटू अप्रोक्सीमेटली 150 सब टॉपिक्स. अब let us take any example of one such topic, maybe recruitment and selection. Now recruitment and selection is a subtopic under HRM, which is nothing but personal management. So सबसे पहले आप लोग क्या करोगे? सबसे पहले you'll go through the topic of recruitment and selection through the printed booklets. Now if you want to see the style and quality of content in these printed booklets, you can go through some of them on this website, जहां हम लोगों ने काफी बुकलेट्स का सैंपल हम लोगों ने डाला हुआ है. So just open this and you can look at the sample. ठीक है. So then एक बार जब आपने ये फर्दर सब टॉपिक विच इज रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन आपने बुकलेट से कर लिया, you will go through the video class of the same topic. Now, if you want to see how the syllabus has been covered in video classes, again, there are a couple of classes which have been uploaded on this page. आप एक एक करके उसको देख सकते हो, and you can assess the quality of teaching also. So, this keyword which we have done first from booklet, उसके बाद हमने उसको वीडियो क्लास से हमने उसको समझ लिया. कुछ लोग ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं कि first they'll go through video class and then they will come on to the booklet. So एक बार हमने समझ के then we'll go on the online test platform. So online test platform पे for all these sub topics they are sectional text. जैसे कि हमने कीवर्ड लिया रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन. सो ऑनलाइन टेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म पे रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन के ही 50, 60, 80 कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो you will write that test. उसके बाद you will submit the test and you will go through the answers. अब whenever you will go through the answers, आपको सिर्फ आंसर नहीं देखना है, आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन के साथ जो डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन है वो भी आपको कवर करना है. सो सिमिलरली यू विल कवर ऑल 150 टॉपिक्स वन बाय वन और इस तरह आपका सारा सिलेबस खत्म होगा. Once you have gone through the entire syllabus, then you will start writing the mock test. The idea of mock test is to teach you time management for the exam day. And this is how you'll be ready for Admin Officer GSI exam. Now, if you guys have any queries or if there is anything which you want to discuss or which you want to ask, so there is also a link given in the description below. That link will connect you directly with our team via WhatsApp chat. Click on that, get connected and do let us know whatever is in your mind. All the best.